All right, we're walking in Bangor Mall. This is what they have out front of the store. I'll make it a little closer. This is inside. It's all closed up, but no running, pushing, shoving, no cameras. It's quite a nice haunted house they have at the mall. Imagine that, being at the mall. Oh, it's pretty cool though. Look at that. Ah, I like this. What?
It's an escape room.
Oh, escape room. Oh God, that would be awesome.